Around November 2023, I gained the resources I required to get a crack on with Java. Prior to that, I had just known a bit of the basics, data types, arrays, all that good stuff. And then basically now I had enough to actually crack on with Java, and I decided the best way to do that was to take on a project, Minecraft modding in particular. And basically, it's like you're learning something while doing something. Now, because I didn't have too much Java knowledge, I ended up copying word for word from the person that was giving out the tutorials. Um, and I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just copying it, and each and every time I encountered an error, as you can imagine, I kind of panicked because I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to fix it. So I would go to a forum, I would go to the wiki, I would go to the person himself who actually created the mod. And basically, that's just how I lived on. I did that until like April, where I decided that I'm going to take a break from Minecraft modding and focus on core Java. That was 1.20.4. So then, after taking a break for the amount of time, I focused on core Java, generics, learning as much as I could, starting a YouTube channel, and then, yeah, in the midst of it all, we received a brand new Minecraft update 1.21, and I decided to return back to the mod, but the mod was last played 1.20.4, so updating to 1.20, 1.21 was a big mess, and it broke so much. I'm not even gonna kid you. And when I say the entire project, I'm not just saying the warnings, that will allow you to launch the mod, but some things simply won't work. No, I would not even be allowed to launch the mod. I couldn't even launch Minecraft because everything was just so broken. Now, the good thing about having so much of the Java knowledge is that I was able to update most of the mod. Before I took this break to actually know Java core Java, I would literally wait for the tutorial to actually update to the newest version, or maybe go to a forum. Like I said, it was pretty terrible. But after updating, I knew what was happening. I could understand what the code was doing. So it was a lot easier for me to actually make fixes, update everything. And yeah, basically that's how I got through most of it. Now, obviously, there are some things that because of copying and pasting, I did not know what was going on. Yeah, some things were easier to fix than others. I had to remove one item because the logic behind it is something I don't get, and I'm not even sure it's supported anymore. So I had to remove that one item. Music discs have been changed. You cannot have music disc items, so I needed to. I'm gonna find a way around that. Haven't fixed that yet, but eventually I will. Now I'm actually able to hold my own. So I've updated most of the mod myself. I've had to go to the wiki a few times since I did not know what new changes. For example, you can no longer initialize the identifier class. The constructor for adding in a new item, a new block, they've all changed. They've all changed signature. So there's all those differences that I've had to do. So I've got most of the mod set up. I just had a few issues with the modifiers because I did not understand what was going on. But it wasn't until I came to the warning message and actually saw that it's just an error converting two different types, a registry key of type loot table to an identifier. So then I decided that all we need to do is just create a registry key of type loot table. And basically that's what caused me to go through all around research, just looking around what can change. Looking around trying to find fixes, and then I was like, and then I saw somewhere that actually told me that Cobblestone has a get loot table key, which gave me the idea that if I see how they get that key, I can make up my own method. Now, there's still a lot of things broken about the mod, but I think I've gotten a decent amount of it done. Alright, so that's that done and dusted. Now, so now I just gotta run it and see if it actually worked. Oh my god, if this works, I will have outdone myself. It works, so I can outdo myself. I'm actually kind of nervous. No, I'm actually gonna hope that my recording doesn't crash because this PCs are meant for IntelliJ plus Minecraft plus OBS. I don't know how this is gonna go. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. That stupid Minecraft update really broke my mod, bro. I don't like it. Wait, have we launched? Oh yes. Not responding. Okay. Alright, so far so good. Missing exception loading block state definition. Missing model for variant, polylunar bloom. Alright, we can fix that later. Wait, I actually haven't played 1.21 yet. Why does it look like this? It's like, I don't know. Creating a world. That was fast. Loading terrain. And we are in the world. We're in the world. Flora Leviosa Nocturnum. I have no idea if that actually means anything. Programs written in Java tend to take up a lot more memory than C++. But let's see what it said about the texture. Pots and the flower pot. Let's see what it said about the texture and see if there's anything wrong with it. Yep, we're gonna need to fix that, but the flower itself is okay. We're gonna need to fix that, but as of right now, that's not what we're gonna focus on. I'm gonna generate the structures, so using place command, structure, end city. Yeah, okay, let's try end city. Fill to place structure. Why is that? Alright, we'll try something else then. Ancient city. Alright, this is gonna lag out my game a bit, so I'm just gonna fast forward to when the structure has been generated. Alright, so welcome back. The structure has been generated. It's this giant thing above us here. Alright, I'm gonna go up on a limb and say that I don't think I've ever come here in my survival worlds because I am terrified of the warden, no lie. If I met up with that thing, it'll probably just slay me, so I have no idea where the chests are gonna be. Alright, so I didn't know where the chests were, but we found our first chest here. And moment of truth. Yep. Like, you're gonna spawn a warden. Yep. It's okay. Wait, what the? Wait, these are boots. They're not supposed to stack. What is this? Okay, so they're not supposed to stack like that, but I mean, the mod spawns are legion here. I mean, they're not supposed to be this many, and they're not supposed to flip and stack. I mean, okay. I mean, oh my god, the loot modifiers work. That's something. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, bro! I could not find a single tutorial online. I could not find any help. Fabric.net, the wiki had nothing. Let's go. Okay, let me just say, I did not expect this would actually work, but yeah, I mean, I don't even know how it's working, but yeah, it works. I am very happy. I have to fix this and the fact that these stupid boots stack. I mean, look at this. I can actually have multiple boots, I think. Can you? Okay, not there, but yeah, they stack everywhere else. That's not supposed to happen. Anyways, so let me try to fix that real quick. Item, what items? Alright, so boots here, with your boots item. The fireproof, and then you also need to set dot. I think it's max count. Yes, max count 1. That way they don't stack. Yep, that being done, I think we're actually set for the next piece, which is going to be to run the client again. Hopefully get some fixes on it. Yeah, you can no longer stack these. That is much better. Yeah, these are no longer going to be stackable, which is exactly what we needed. Yeah, I think we're set here. Yeah, everything seems to be working okay. Can I survive this? I think we can. Yeah, we did. So anyways, this now works pretty fine. Wait, does it drop anything? Yes, it does. Love to see it, mate. Yep, so this didn't work before, but now it works fine. We can no longer stack boots. I think we are set, actually. Minecraft update successful. I can now play on 1.1.1 with my mod. This should be fun. Please excuse the slideshow for frame rate I have in this video. Anyways, build successful, 5 minutes, everything is working okay. This works. Took a little bit of fiddling around, but eventually I got to it. So yeah, I'm a happy guy.